Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. Now this is lesson 6 in our series on how to write an opinion essay. Our learning objective today is to be able to use P.E.E.L to write those final 2 paragraphs in the body section of our essay. All right, let's get moving. Alright, let's check in on our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to be able to review the macro and the micro elements that go into an opinion essay. Then, to be able to review the P.E.E.L strategy. The next one is to be able to complete the body section of our opinion essay by finishing off those final 2 paragraphs. And then our final objective is to be able to innovate ideas and write things in our own words. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with a quick think, pair, share. If you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. Can you remember the structure of an opinion essay? Do you know, or can you remember some of those micro features and grammar elements that go into an opinion essay? Spend a few minutes now, test the person next to you, or brainstorm yourself. Go. Okay, I hope that brainstorming session went well, and you now know the structure is introduction, body with those 3 arguments, and conclusion. And you also maybe thought of some of the micro features, things like adverbs of sequence, a mix of sentences, literary devices, and P.E.E.L. Okay guys, let's keep moving. Right, so our main objective today is to be able to use the P.E.E.L strategy to write an awesome argumentative paragraph for our essay. Now, if you haven't checked out the video on P.E.E.L on our channel, you should check it out now. But for a quick review, P.E.E.L stands for point, evidence, explain, and link. It's a great way to structure an argumentative paragraph, and we're going to use it today. Let's keep going. Okay, so in lesson 4, we practice writing about that first opinion paragraph or argumentative paragraph about the claim. We don't need to travel because we can learn as much from books and the internet. Now here at Awesome English, remember, we disagreed with that. So our objective today is to be able to write the final 2 reasons in our body section of our essay. The first one is that we can learn from the people we meet. Then we're going to write a paragraph about how we can use our 5 senses to learn about the world. All right, we're also going to use the P.E.E.L strategy. Let's get writing. Okay, so let's do a little think, pair, share. Here are 2 example paragraphs for those final 2 reasons in the body section of our opinion essay. Now, if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. How many aspects of the P.E.E.L strategy and how many of those micro features can you identify and spot in these 2 paragraphs? So spend a few minutes now, work with the person next to you, or brainstorm yourself. Go. Okay, I hope that went well and you're able to spot some of those elements of the P.E.E.L strategy and those other micro features. Okay, let's check out these paragraphs annotated. So you can see in red, we have some awesome sentence starters. Things like a key aspect. This evidence demonstrates. Now remember, you can use these for your own draft paragraphs. You can also see clearly we have used the P.E.E.L strategy. In yellow, we have got the point. We have got the evidence in green. And then we explain it in those purple sections. And then finally, in blue, we link it back to that original claim about travel and how we disagree with it. Okay, so now it's over to you. Use these 2 paragraphs to help you. Go and draft your own body paragraphs for your opinion essay. Use these guys to help you. Go. Okay, now it's time for some independent learning. I hope you're feeling more confident about writing the body section of an opinion essay. So now it's over to you to consolidate your learning by writing another paragraph. You can argue another claim, and you can use the P.E.E.L strategy to help you do it. Now remember to check out the next video in this series where we write the conclusion paragraph for an opinion essay. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.